Hello students, welcome back to maths class. From this video we will begin the mathematics of class 6th. Its first chapter is knowing our numbers. You can simply see here we have the table, okay, the content of the book. After this you can simply take out the chapter number first, which is knowing our numbers. So in this chapter we are going to see greatest and smallest number, making the 4 digit, 5 digit, any digit of number from the given number with repetition or without repetition, ascending or descending order, format, place values of international system or Indian system. This kind of things we will see in this chapter. Okay, so let us begin the chapter, which is chapter number 1, knowing our numbers. So here we have the first topic of the chapter is find the greatest and the smallest numbers. So given here we have 1, 2, 3, 4 numbers. Among these 4 numbers we have to identify the greatest and the smallest number. You can simply see here we have in the each numbers 4 values, 4 digit, 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4 and 4 digit. It means we have to see them very properly. Here at the beginning we have 43, 48, 43, 44. It means this 4892, 48 is the greatest number in between 43 and 44. It means that 4892 is the greatest number. Now here we have 4343. It means out of these two, any one number is our smallest number. You can simply see here we have 36 and here we have 70. So 36 is less than 70. It means our smallest number is 4336. Okay. Same we will follow for the remaining one. We have 3 more questions in this manner. The second one is having 15623, which is having 5 digit. Here also we have 5 digit. Here also we have 5 digit. And here also we have 5 digit. Okay. So firstly we will see 15 from the left hand side. You can simply see here we have 15, 15, 15, 15. All are having 15. Now after 15, this is having 6. Here we have 0. Here we have 1. And here we have 8. Okay. So in between the 0 and 8, 6 and 1 is coming. It means without any confusion we can say our 15800 is the greatest number and 15073 is the smallest number. Okay. Now these two try to yourself. Okay. Simply search the digits and from the left hand side you can simply compare. Okay. Now the new topic is use the given digit without repetition and make the greatest and the smallest 4 digit number. We have values 2, 8, 7, 4. Out of this 2, 8, 7, 4, we have to make 4 digit smallest and greatest number. How many digit numbers we need to? We need 4 digit number. Okay. So greatest number. For the greatest number, and here again I am repeating that here question is asking for without repetition. Okay. Without repetition 4 digit number question is needed. It means 4 digit is given and we need to make 4 digit number, so repetition will not come. Simply we will begin with the greatest number for the greatest number. Okay, greatest between 2, 8, 7, 4 is 8. So our first number will be 8. After that 7, because just little bit less than 8 is 7. Then 4, then 2. Okay. Now for the smallest number, same as it is, we will begin with the lesser number, smaller one. So that the smaller one is 2, 8, 7. 2 is the smaller one. So here we have 2. Just little bit greater than 2 is 4. 4 से थोड़ा सा बड़ा है 7. और सबसे बड़ा, the number which is the greater one will comes at the end. So here we have 8742 is the greatest number. 2478 is the smallest number. Same we will do here. Here we have second one, 9741. Same as it is, for the greatest number we will begin with the bigger one. So biggest number in between these 4 we have 9. After 9 just little bit lesser is 7. Then 4. Then 1. For the smallest one we will begin with the smaller number, and the smaller number is 1. Greater than 1 is 4. Just little bit greater than 1 is 4. After that 7. Then 9. So 9741 is the greatest number. 1479 is the smallest number. Okay. Now for the next one, I just changed little bit the pattern. Here you can simply see with repetition and make greatest and smallest 4-digit number. Now we need a repetition for making the 4-digit greatest and smallest number. Okay, so any one number we need to repeat. So which number we will repeat? Yes, we repeat the greatest number in the greatest number and smaller number in the smallest one. For making the greatest number out of these 3 numbers, we will use the greater one in the greatest and the smaller one in the smallest. Okay. So simply greatest number, here we have 8. So 8 will comes 2 times, then 7, and the last lesser number is, smaller number is 3. Same here, smallest number. For the smallest number we will use smaller one 2 times. So 3, 3, 7, 8. Now the greatest number for the second one is 049 is the given. So we need to make greatest number. For the greatest number we will use the greater one. So among these 3 we have the greater one is 9. So we need to use 9 2 times. And after that 4, then 0. Now here we have problem. You can simply see for making the smallest one we need to repeat smaller one 2 times. And you can simply see the smaller one is 0. We can't take 0 at the beginning. Okay. That's why we are taking 4 in the beginning. And same as it is previous, we will use the smaller one 2 times. So smaller one is 0. So 0 we will use 2 times, and at the end we will use 9. You can simply see they all are having 4 digits. Okay. So here we completed making the any digit number from the given number without repetition or with repetition. Now the next topic is ascending order and descending order. Ascending order means arrangement from smallest to greatest, and descending order means greatest to smallest. Small to big, big to small. Okay, small to big in ascending and big to small in descending. Now we are going directly on the next topic, which is arrangement. Arrange the following numbers in ascending order. Ascending order means small to big. Okay, so given here we have 4 numbers, which is 1 2 3 4, which is 847 9754 8320 571. So firstly we will search the smaller one. Okay, so 847 and 571 both are having 3 digit. Okay, simply you can see 847 and 571. So 571 is the smaller one, so it will comes first. Now 847, it will comes on the second place. Now the remaining 2 are 9754 8320, 9754 8320. Simply you can see this 8320 is less than 9754. So here 8320, and the last number which will come at the end, so 9754. So smaller to bigger. Now we will use here the symbol which is less than. 571 is less than 847, which is less than 8320, which is less than 9754. This one you will do by yourself for practicing. Okay, because this topic you already know from the previous classes. This you will do from yourself. Now the next topic is arrange the following numbers in descending order. Descending means bigger to smaller. Bigger to smaller. Here we have again 4 numbers, which is 5000, 7500, 85,400, 85,000, 7,861. So the biggest one is, yes, 85,400 is the biggest one. After 85,400 we have 2 numbers, 75, 78, 7,500, 7,861. So this, simply you can see 7,861 is greater than 7,500. And lastly we will put 5,000. Okay, now it's time to put the symbol. The greater one is presented on the left hand side, so our symbol will open on the left hand side, so that 85,400 is greater than 7,861, which is greater than 7,500, which is greater than 5,000. Okay, now the next one, which will be your homework. Try to do yourself. Now the next topic is place value. Here we have the Indian system of the place value of the numbers, which is ones. It means the first value from the right hand side is known as ones. Second value tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore. It does not mean here we can stop. It will go much more. Okay, बहुत आगे तक भी जा सकता है, उसके numbers अलग होते हैं. So the beginning of the place value from the left hand side is started from the ones and goes on. So topic is expand the following numbers. We have to expand the following numbers. So first number is 47,300. 47,300. Simply we will arrange the place values of the each digit. What I said? Simply we will arrange the place value of each digit. It means from the left hand side we will begin. This will be ones, tens, 100, 1000 and 10,000. Now, why did I arrange the place value? Yes, for writing the expanded form of the number. Now, the first number, which is 4, is presented on the place of 10,000. 4 is presented on the place of 10,000. So, 4 will multiply by 10,000. Okay. Now, the next number, that's why we are putting here addition. Okay. Next number is 7. And 7 is placed on the place of 1000. So 7 किससे multiply होगा? 7 will multiply by 1000. Now the next number is 3. Okay, so plus 3 will multiply by 100. Okay, now 10's place is 0, 1's place is 0. We can write, or if we are not able to write, so it will be okay because the place is containing 0. Now, why did I put here addition? Because when we multiply 10,000 by 4, 7 by 1000, 3 by 100, and after adding them, again we got 47,300. Simply you can see here, 4 multiplied by 10,000 is 40,000. 7 into 1000 is 7,000. 3 into 100 is 300. When you add them, again we will get 47,300. That's why we are putting here addition symbol. Now one more we will see. Here we have 3,53,500. Simply you can see, firstly we will put the place value, ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000 and lakh. So 3 will multiply by lakh. The first value 3 will multiply by lakh. Okay. Then addition. 5 will multiply by 10,000. Addition. 3 will multiply by 1000. 5 will multiply by 100. And again at the last we have 0. So there is no need of writing 0 by multiplying by 10 or 0 will multiply by 1s. We can also stop here only. So this will be the expanded form of 3,53,500. Now the last one, which will be the last one of this topic, okay, is 2,79,453. So firstly we will arrange the place value, which is ones from the left hand side. Always remember you have to place the place values from the left hand side. So ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000 and lakh. Now we will begin writing. We will start writing the numbers from the right hand side. Firstly we will get 2, and 2 is placed on the lakh value. So 2 will multiply by lakh. Then next number is 7. So 7 will multiply by 10,000 because 7 is presented on the place of 10,000. So 7 will multiply by 10,000. Next number 9. 9 is presented at the place of 1000. So 9 will multiply by 1000. Next number is 4. And 4 is presented at the place of 100. So 4 will multiply by 100. Then next number is 5. So 5 will multiply by tens. After that the last one is 3. 3 is presented on the place of ones. So 3 will multiply by 1. So here we completed the expanded form of the numbers. this remaining one you will try to solve yourself. Okay, I hope you understood. In the next video we will still going on this topic. Thank you.